future. So let me say no to Kush. Let me say no to, no to.
Sierra Leone, Kush, you my killer, this is for you them. What for you say?
Say not a Kush, no, not a Kush, no, not a Kush. Oh yeah, me I can feel love. What are they on me eye? We are the senior sister them, the dynasty.
My fellow Sierra Leoneans, on this 21st day of November 2024, I bring a message of hope to all I say Ohajumi, because that we hope for youths, Sierra Leone, the faithful, for save the youths of Sierra Leone. For too long, we don't fight and fight tirelessly against the epidemic of Kush to save the lives of youths and to make sure that we empower the youths for future. But as we always say, Kush na salon, big man they an, and big woman they an, they pan Kush. But we would not give up because we know there is a God. And where God want for shame you, it give you long rope. So today, November 21st, wanna see the videos and pictures where they go around. For sure, say we get Kush factory, na Sierra Leone, and there was an explosion, and there was gas released, which caused several people to be sick, and that led to the house being searched. And we see the paraphernalia, we see the Kush manufacturing process with the God. We need to get to the bottom of this, and we need to let the government be transparent, because in Sierra Leone, lots of things happen and then it dies down. But because of the many lives that we don't lost, the many youths that we don't get this mental insanity, the many families that we don't go through pain and suffering, and the ongoing decimation of youths alone, with a call upon the government to make sure that they set a bright example and for be very transparent with the public on who that build the source, who that rent the source, who that they sponsor this, and then we get the drug lord and they will bring them to justice. And they call upon the government to ensure that this group of people are within cage, they not only charge them for endangerment of a community, they not only charge them for endangerment of children, but they charge them for mass murder, they charge them for murder, they charge them for manslaughter, and they make sure that the public hearing and the case for these people go public. We don't want no hush-hush for Kush business. We want the government this time around. We've been struggling to see our youths die. We don't struggle for see the government, they bury youths them in mass grave, and this should come to a halt and to a stop. The government cannot cover this up, and we need to know who is behind this mass production. We need to know who is distributing it. We need to know who rented this property. And all of this should be made public. You see, it's time we take care of the youths of Sierra Leone, and it's time we address the needs of our country. If we're not able to give the youths, let us not kill them. And we've been very, very complicit. We don't encourage this for too long. But we say in Creole, all 10:40, one day for Master House. Today, the people of Salon, when at the Master House, we don't catch other wolf for catch. And so God go expose all of them for the suffering, pain, where they don't bring to families, for the loss of lives. And we will get them all one by one. So Salon government, stand by the people, show you care, and let these people suffer the brunt of the law and charge them with murder, mass murder, manslaughter, endangerment of children, and all other drug charges. Lay the law upon them so that when they sentence them, they each could get 500 years in jail. So Salon people, let us be hopeful that those who wish bad for us, eventually, we would see each and every one. So to the youths of Sierra Leone, be strong, be vigilant. God bless you.
Push for die. Say not so Kush. Papa government help we are. Say not so Kush. Push for die. Say not so Kush. Work for you, say.
Papa government, only one day where they bring camp, anyone day where they sell lamb. Only Papa government jelly. They don't keep plenty you then I will learn. Innocent you them me say I will learn. Spiritual leaders them me say I will learn. What they doing? Let's all fight them and let them feed you Kush. What you have in my bed for? Be at your bed. Hey, I be that number.
Mamonga, Kushi Wele, Mamonga, Papa government, Amupema, Mamu Manja, Mamupema, Kushi Hinde, Abu Walo, Kushi Wele, Abenyeni, Humalo, Abu Kuli, Humalo, Abu Humalo.
Say not so Kush. Me brother don't want me for him. Say not so Kush.